So I'm all checked in at my hotel here in Karada, a neighborhood that's pretty bustling here in downtown Baghdad. And yeah, so far so good. Quite a bit of street noise, but it's to be expected. There's a guard tower just down there. I'm pointing to it there. It's staffed by an armed officer. And then at the base of this hotel, there's a little outpost like directly underneath us, which you can't see. I feel quite well protected, but also a little bit unnerved by the fact that the protection is required. But I'm very pleased with the hotel and very pleased with the food. I walked into this restaurant, which I can't dine in because it is Ramadan, and obviously I'm a subpar Muslim. I decided to break my fast. I ordered a kebab, or what I expected to be a kebab, but instead I got two skewers, enormous skewers of food with grilled tomato, grilled peppers, a wrap, 3 pieces of pita bread, maybe a pea soup, and then toppings with pastas and stuff. It's just insane. There is so much food here.
Forget the name of our hotel.
Okay, Muntadher and I are here in Old Baghdad trying to find some breakfast and some places to shop. So we're wondering, which part of town are we in right now? Muntadher. And when was this constructed?
We don't have the year, specific year, but let's say like 100 years ago.
100 years ago.
You can see old properties.
Yeah, it's a bit like European inspired, I find.
Yeah, you see those?
Yeah.
It's so fucking different. No one in Baghdad.
Yeah.
Building that style.
Yeah, the columns are pretty ornate.
Victorian style.
It is Victorian, exactly. Yeah, pretty fascinating. So let's get a closer look.
These was home of Jewish people, Jewish Iraqis. What happened in 50s, I think, or 40s, like, you know, this propaganda and Iraqis start killing Jewish air in Iraq, and they used to like this fucking political thing, man.
Beautiful.
See how is that is old?
Yeah.
The oldest university in the entire world is over there.
The oldest in the world?
Yeah.
What's it called?
Muntadher. The first school that established in Islamic golden era 1,000 years ago.
Like 1200 AD?
I think like.
So this is a place of learning?
A school.
Yeah, it's a school.
This is where scientists live, study, work here. You know, Baghdad at that time was Mecca of science.
Right.
So everyone was coming here to work. Even science, like the Caliphate, was trading science. They provide them massages, food, money, everything. Just come to Baghdad and just work.
What's it called, the school?
Muntadher school. I'll give you a footage from inside.
Woo! I'm gonna die.
By books, you can find a lot of books there. Libraries.
Can I hear you?
Yeah, that guy who was killed. He killed the royal family there. When Britain get control of Iraq, they want some authority to control.
Yeah.
And they put the king, Hashemi king.
Yeah. I mean, it's just like the Shah in Quran, right?
No, it's like the
US
queen.
put them there.
Yeah, I want to buy shoes.
There's a lot. $5.
10.
Yeah, 10,000 dirham. That's a bargain. Beautiful. Hang on.
Wait a second, that will take it.
Quality shoes.
This is nice. I want one of these. معاش؟ بعد بيها مجال؟ نمشي على 10؟
And so he asked you for what price?
10. It was 13.
13, and you talked it in at 10. Nice. Solid deal right there.
Because the most culture thing here is negotiation. You negotiate. I think this one is better.
Yeah, no, those ones are the best, for sure. Got me a pair too. Let's see if these guys fit.
I don't know what's name in English, but it's so sour.
Okay, I'll give it a shot. Oh, it is sour. It's bitter. Extremely bitter.
You want?
I think one is enough.
Oh, really?
It's just too bitter. Oh, wow. So this dates back to the Caliphate era, you said?
Yeah.
This.
Yeah, 1660. Like, how many generations worked there?
Uh-huh. Toronto, Canada. Canada.
Canada?
Yeah. You're from Baghdad here?
Baghdad.
Cool. Very, very nice here. That's cool. They have like a lot of sweet pears.
والله هو لطيف. بس أنا أفضل
So what do these drippy Skechers cost here in Baghdad?
20 Iraqi dinar.
Not bad. That's like what, 15 bucks?
Something like that.
Yeah, something like that. Hey, how's it going, man? Wow. They're quite something to see. Those are bullet holes, you think?
Yeah, it is.
Really? Let's go get a better look.
You've been in Ukraine.
Yes, but they didn't look that big. Those are huge holes. Those are from not from a gun. Those are from something else.
Because it's from
Like artillery.
cars and these are like
Yeah.
Magnum and these stuff.
When do you think those were put there? The American invasion? Really?
No, 2000.
Oh, really? The pockmarks are enormous. You know, it's a heavy caliber gun.
Look to these.
Oh, hello, mister. We're just walking in the road.
Don't worry, we are cars, but just pretend to be a car. Because there is no way.
Safety first, yeah. How else, I guess,
There's
right?
no fucking way.
There's no other way. Oh.
There's no fucking way to cross it.
It's even crazier from here.
Okay, we'll come.
Watch out for the tuk-tuk, okay? Sorry.
Finally, we are crossing it from the right. Thank God. And
Yeah, it's about time. Almost got myself killed a couple times. We going in? Alright, let's go. Assalamu alaikum.
You can see, look at these old buildings.
Yeah. Yeah.
All of these.
Formerly owned by Jewish people.
Yeah. It's empty buildings everywhere.
They're empty completely.
Completely. The owners, either they are outside Iraq and they cannot return to Iraq. But the government can't do nothing about it.
This is Old Baghdad.
This is the old Baghdad. See the buildings? Yeah. So fucking you know,
That's beautiful.
You want to walk?
Yeah, why not?
1,000?
4,000?
One.
Shukran.
This is the Iraqi museum.
Okay.
It's not the museum with the ancient thing. It's
Not the Baghdad one?
No.
Maybe.
But this will tell you how life in Baghdad like 100, 200 years ago.
That's not an apple, is it?
Yeah, it is.
A crab apple? I get a free one? Oh, no way. I'll just pop this in my mouth?
This is an apple.
It is an apple. Oh, it's so sour. It's so sour. Alright.
See, Iraqi is not sour thing.
It's very sour. Very bitter.
The Turkish Empire, they built this as a defense castle. And you see that monument, it's for the Al-Mutanabbi. He is a famous
A poet?
a poet. And this is the whole street is Mutanabbi Street, is an ancient street. Like we're talking from the Caliphate era.
Okay.
House of Wisdom is over there.
The House of Wisdom, yeah.
Is over there.
Which was a school.
Which is considered the Mecca of knowledge at that time. It's a big library a bicycle of it and was routing everything there. Scientists go there to do their works, and it's called a House of Wisdom. This is the first coffee ever.
First coffee
Shop.
coffee shop
This is
in Baghdad.
Why did you pick Ramadan?
I know. Yeah, there's not a lot of people.
These Jews in the morning, you cannot walk here now because it's Ramadan.
Yeah.
So everyone fasting and tired, close everything and back to their homes. You want to take a bottle?
Yeah, why not? What is it though?
Zabib, I forget the name, and pomegranate. So he's saying this is wine without alcohol.
Wine without alcohol, yeah.
اسود فوقه اعطيني بعد الف بألف.
Ramadan Kareem. So this is the Tigris, huh?
Yeah, so it used to be the water level under these lands,
I see.
but because Turkey building dams, so it's fucking us.
So there's a bit of a drought,
Yeah.
a man-made drought. Yeah, so this is where they catch all the fish that we eat, right? In this river.
Which color do you want?
I'll try the blue, please. Thank you. What does it cost? How do you ask that again? It's
Bish.
like bish.
Bish.
Bish. Bish.
To 1,000.
Okay.
Expensive, but
Yeah. I got you. I just need to make change.
she has a lot of money.
Okay.
شكرا.
Shukran.
ربع بس.
هذا فيه أهم من
طبعا.
يلا نروح بالنعام.
وليت؟
Masarana.
هذا كيف معايا؟ This is the first gum in Iraq.
Oh yeah?
So this is the place when these Khartoum came here in Baghdad. It's
Yeah.
like in the Arab Adel for Arab.
I see, I see.
I don't care. I can't move because it's so delicious. Everyone have 7. The one who finished first, he won. Okay? You're allowed to do anything. Punching, kicking. Good game. You're thinking well. This is a handmade one.
Handmade?
From work is handmade. Every building that you see, old building, is built by either UK, US, Japan, South Korea, or Germany. By the way, they're doing the Japanese way. And they and this is bad. It's not good.
It's bad?
For me, this is the worst one.
The worst smoked yogurt you've ever had.
Yeah.
It freaked me
is
out.
the head.
Oh. Really?
This is the tail,
Oh no.
body, head. Yeah, this is the crime scene.
The crime scene.
There's
that's
2
it.
bears.
Destroyed this fish.
Rip off that fish from her bag.
Thank you, thank you. I'll try one.
This is for us.
All of them?
That's it.
Amazing.
Can you hold it?
Yeah, sure.